Hi everyone! Good evening, good morning. Yeah. Guys, for today's video, I'm going to say something about my husband. Because I know that he's struggling emotionally and financially in the US. Especially emotionally, the fact that we are in this LDR situation, and also there's a lot of nasty comments in our YouTube channel. But anyway, we can't please everybody. I always told him like that ignore all the bad comments. Like, yeah, as long as we love each other, we focus on our goal in relationship with God, in our relationship. That's the most important. But I can't blame him because he's the one keep reading in the comments. Me, I don't read much. Yes, I don't read much. Like, he's busy monitoring our YouTube channel, and I am also busy here in the Philippines in focusing on daily routine here. Yeah. And also, guys, I just want to share something. Like, is my foreigner husband worth fighting for? Yeah. Because up to this time, there's still a lot of failed relationship in this time. Just like, for example, we have this friend, me and my husband's friend. We know him since, like, I think it's been 2 years or more than that. Yeah, through online. Because when we started the Facebook page, before we started the Facebook page, he's one of the follower also in our YouTube channel, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and then he connected to me that he's looking for a Filipina. Yeah. And yeah, he's looking for a first Filipina, and also it's failed because the other Filipina already get married to someone else. And now the second time he messaged me just this time that he thought that relationship is not worthy anymore. Yeah. And also his suspicious is the girl has someone else. So my question is my foreigner husband worth fighting for? To be honest, guys, more than that, like beyond worth fighting for. I don't know what the exact words to use to describe my husband, because he's really do his best. Yeah. And just to support me. Yeah, just to give me a good life, a better life. Yeah. And then I told him that I'm not complaining of what we have, because even our situation this time, compared to my past relationship, it's nothing. I can't compare, because even if we're struggling right now, I can still eat good meal. Yeah, I can still buy the things that I need. Unlike before, when I say struggling to the point that I can't even provide milk for my son, I can't even provide meal on the table, that's struggling to me. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, we're struggling financially before, and then there's a lot of debts. That's the past relationship. That's my definition of being financially broke. Compare this time, yes, we are in debt, but we find ways to to cope up, yeah, to pay our debts. We try our best to think about just to make money, something like that. And also, before, my ways of helping the family to pay debts, I need to work abroad. Yes, for many years I've been working abroad, and I don't have anything, like even a roof or even a house plan we don't have. But this time, with my foreigner husband, at least we have a house, we have a small car. I know our house don't have electricity yet, but electricity is, yeah, we try. Yeah, and also the fact that he's trying his best to come back to me, yeah, because he doesn't like LDR relationship. For me, I felt so lonely, and he said, if you're lonely, just don't, look for someone else. I never did that. That's my promise to my husband, that through thick and thin, I will always stay by his side. I will never unlove him. That's my word, unlove him. I always told him like, he said like, oh, that's new. Yeah. So instead of, just like, okay, I will never unlove you. Yeah. Because I promised to myself that I will do my best as to become a good wife and to support you and love you always. Yeah. I really, he's really a blessing to me. God give him to me. I don't know. Yeah. That's the only thing that I can say, that my husband is really a good guy. So whoever put some comments there, nasty comments about him, that he's not doing well as a husband, you are wrong. Yeah, I really appreciate my husband, and I love him so much. I love you, and God bless you, ma. See you soon.